I took a California hot rodders mentality to a Porsche. Most people aren't buying brand new Porsches, taking out the engine and putting in a racing engine, especially with no intention of going on a racetrack. My car is really for the kind of person who's driven everything and wants something that's just a little nutty.